If you're shopping for a watch, make sure to check out Georgia Mountain Watches. Link will be in the description. What's up, big time gang? Today we've got battery change video once again on a Grand Octane. Once again, this is a Coalition Forces. This is model 19581, and this one is a Swiss movement G10 to 11. I'm using my two-prong case back opener, which isn't the best for these big watches, but it's what I got right now with me, so it's what I'm gonna use. Now the reason I shake like that is because I'm trying to apply pressure and strength to the case back to open it. But I'm trying to keep my hand steady so I don't fly off and scratch the back of the case. Because if you're not applying downwards pressure at the same time, the prongs will slip out of the notches and you'll scratch the back of the case. So this is a very straightforward battery change. Renata 394. See that there? And like I said, this is a G10 to 11 Swiss made movement. $371, $273, $395. And yes, I've got a lot of batteries. I keep one pack of each at a time so they don't die. You said that was $394. Renata $394. So we'll get this swapped out. Now, I've had a lot of viewers, oh dang, a lot of viewers comment that they've gained the confidence to change their own batteries because of my videos, which I greatly appreciate. And then there's some that still won't do their own batteries, and I really encourage you to try it. Get an old beater, something that you don't care if you do damage. That's how I started my first watch. And open it up and just try. It's not very difficult. And if you're a little mechanically inclined, it should be no problem for you. So we got the other one out. New one in. We're ticking. We are good to go. So just so you can see that I did replace the battery with the exact same battery. So this is the old battery, Renata 394. And here's the new battery. One and the same. So I'm not going to do a whole bunch of pictures after this video. I've already done sizing of this watch with images and pictures. But please make sure to subscribe. We've got the goal of 1,501 for the next giveaway. And growing steady, so we'll get there quick. Okay, nice and tight. Put my micro link adjustment back in. Alrighty. She's buttoned back up and ticking at the 6 o'clock. Have a great day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, God bless. M&S bead bracelets. Mention Tommy Big Time. Get a buy one, get one free offer. Link in the description.